Hello.
Wait, two people are
dead.
dead.
I saw Ray kill on cams, and I saw a corpse hovering over a body.
Okay.
Ray killed Tina around the top of storage, and corpse is just standing over his
definitely
body.
not.
All right,
Peter,
Jack, you
so...
wanna tell them what you saw, Jack?
What'd you see, Jack?
So I walk up to Jack standing over the body, and he runs into medbay, and I'm standing there thinking like, do I report this? Is he just blah blah? Then Peter walks in, and now I look really bad.
All right, guys, I think I figured it out. Jack's the jester, Ray and Corpse are the imposters. Peter just saved the game.